Wow! This must be the elephant spa that Travis was looking for.
Well, this is quite amazing. Ryder, Babs, help!
Hang on, Travis. That mud pit is so big and deep, we'll need backup to get you out. Zuma, we need your hovercraft.
Let's dive in!
Oh!
Buoy!
Good on you, mate.
Marshall, you'd better hose off Travis before that mud hardens. Rough water cannon!
Whoa! Thanks!
Thanks for the help, Molly. I told her to try some spot treatments. Probably feels nice after a jungle run.
Ryder, I've spotted Travis's balloon.
Great. See if you can snag it and bring it here, Skye.
I'm going in.
Hook!
Tell Travis his big balloon is on its way.
These rare, humpless grey camels seem to love getting their backs scratched, probably to get rid of all the itchy desert sand by using this unusual cactus. Huh. This looks just like something I'm allergic to. But it doesn't grow in the Oh!
Calling all pups. Animal emergency.
On our way, Ryder.
Stampede! Rock, it's time to roll! Good teamwork, pups. Now to stop that noisy balloon and get everyone to stop panicking. I think I got just the right way to get them to calm down. Be right back, Ryder. I need one basket of bananas to go. Por favor, please. Coming up, amigo.
Help again!
Time to anchor down that balloon. Gotcha. The balloon is stable. Extender. All patched up. Great work, Rubble, Rocky, but we still have to get our critter friends to mellow out. And I know how. Bananas! Roar! Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I just told them to help themselves. You know, dudes, that is fun to say.
Well, now that I've discovered the desert of humpless grey camels, I'm going to continue my quest for the legendary elephant spa.
But he already found it.
And when I do, I'll be sure to send a postcard to my best mates, Ryder and the PAW Patrol. Thanks for everything.
Just remember, if you ever need to be saved from a panicked pachyderm, just yelp for help.
From my balloon, the world is round. You see no map lines on the ground.
Should we finish bringing in the banana harvest? Molly's stampede through the grove shook down most of the bananas.
So, we're all done. Now what do we do?
Even the Paw Patrol needs a day to relax. Once in a while.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Skye and Friends YouTube channel for new videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.